How to develop a personality. Let's talk about developing a personality. Ever heard just be yourself? It's basically extrovert propaganda. Extroverts can wing it effortlessly, leaving introverts in the dust. If you're not keen on switching sides, your best bet is hitting up Google. You'll find personality tests, book recommendations, and suggestions like joining a pottery class. Remember that kid who knocked you over in kindergarten? Or the snake guy at your school assembly? People with clear, memorable traits are seen as having personality. So, what's the deal for you? It's about coming across as interesting, having stuff to chat about, and making a lasting impression. Enter the spike method. Imagine this. You're not just someone who works out. You're a fitness enthusiast, a movement maestro, a champion of conquering that inner couch potato. You've devoured training guides, explored different disciplines, maybe even started a weekend boot camp. Suddenly, you're not just another face in the crowd. You're the go-to guru of getting active. Sounds surprising, right? The magic happens when the "what do you do for fun" question lands. No more mumbled, "Oh, not much." You unleash your captivating response. "I'm actually obsessed with exploring different ways to move my body. From rock climbing to HIIT. I'm always up for a challenge. Want to join me for a parkour adventure next weekend?" This isn't about bragging about your burpees. It's about owning your passion and using it as a springboard for connection. You don't need to be a six-pack wielding gym rat, but your fitness spike becomes your unique conversation starter. Find something that gets your heart pumping, delve deeper, and subtly weave it into your introductions. You don't have to talk about it all the time. It's just your conversation starter. So, pick your passion, gain some expertise, and work it into your intros. That's it. Easy, right? So, once again, boil down to 3 simple steps. Step 1. Find something you're genuinely interested in, even if it seems weird. Step 2. Dive deep into it. Learn everything you can until you know more than the average person. Step 3. When you meet people, talk about this thing. Step 4. Well, there is no step 4, but perhaps hitting that subscribe button feels like the next logical move. Fun fact. Colleges love unique personalities. Show them you're a standout with your own spike. Whether it's competitive knitting or Tetris research, there's room for anything. Just make sure you can explain it in a way others get. Take Minecraft, for example. Be the expert, but break it down for the uninitiated. Complex jargon is a conversation killer. So remember, spark curiosity, not lectures. Share your knowledge, but leave room for questions and discussions. Keep it relatable. Don't use complex jargon. Translate your passion into engaging stories and anecdotes. Embrace your uniqueness. Don't be afraid to stand out. Your unusual passion might be the spark that connects you to others. So, now that you know the steps, go ahead and find your spike.